if you own a Jaecoo J7, J5 and potentially the J8, and you jump in your car and the inbuilt sat-nav is not connecting to any satellites whatsoever, I've got you covered. I've had this question asked a few times, and honestly it was something that I've never personally come across until a few weeks ago, so I never had a definitive answer on how to fix the issue, but I've worked it out. You've jumped in the car, you've turned on your car navigation, and you looked at the bottom left hand side of the screen, and that is where it shows you the satellites and how many satellites it's connected to. Right now it keeps jumping around between 2 and 4. The other week I jumped in and I was driving to Portsmouth, which was about 2 hours away, and there was 0 satellites that it was connecting to. There was nothing. At the end of the day, the Jaecoo is like a massive computer. So option 1 of trying to fix it was as simple as turning the car off, leaving it for a little bit, like 5 minutes, and then turning it back on. For me, option 1 didn't work, so I troubleshooted a little bit more and found a second way of hopefully resetting the GPS unit. And that was to do like a soft system reset. Now for this, on the Jaecoo J7, I don't know about the J5, but wouldn't surprise me if it was the same. You're going to push and hold the star button on the steering wheel for 10, 15, 20 seconds, however long it takes. And when you do that, the screen in front of you and the large screen, it will turn off and then reset back on. And you get that little fancy kind of Jaecoo startup. All the methods that I'm describing are the exact methods that I tried on the day that it didn't work. So you'll see on the screen the videos of me actually doing it a few weeks ago. But this video is just to kind of help you guys understand which ways work and which ones don't. So method number 2 of pushing and hold the start button did not work either. And so here comes method number 3, which I can tell you 100% worked for me. Hopefully it's all you'll need. So for the third method, the Jaecoo J7 has got the SOS button at the top here. Now, if you push it, it will ring through to a call centre. You can speak to someone if you're in trouble, or if you need them to ring the police or something for you, they can do that. And from what I've read online, they can actually get your exact location. So if you don't know where you are, they can find out where you are from obviously the car data and pass it on to the police. So if you are ever in a need or a situation where you do need assistance, don't forget it's there. So the SOS button, you're going to push and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. Now that is going to trigger a hard system reset of the vehicle's onboard communication unit. This method isn't just for if you don't have any satellite GPS connection. It could be if your infotainment system is glitching, if you're losing your internet connection, or if the vehicle's displaying a persistent SOS system failure. This is how you're going to reset all of them. You're going to push it for 10 to 20 seconds. That is then going to force the internal communications module to reboot. Whilst it's doing that, it's cutting the power to the built-in SIM card and GPS receiver, forcing them to reconnect to the local cellular network. And that is what fixed the no satellite problem for me. If you've tried all 3 of those and none of them have helped, then unfortunately I can't help you anymore, and you are going to have to speak to Jaecoo themselves. But hopefully that is going to fix this problem for some of you. Trust the process, trust the system. It worked for me. If you've just picked yourself up a Jaecoo, or you got one on order and you want some accessories for it, then head over to myjaecoo.co.uk website, and discount code, more importantly, will be in the description box below. All the accessories I've got for my Jaecoo have come from them. Well, I hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.